Looking to capture perfect sound no matter the location? Look no further than the RA ISO Armor 2. This lightweight and compact isolation chamber is perfect for recording or broadcasting in acoustically untreated rooms. Just insert your studio condenser microphone to create a miniature portable vocal booth. Here's how it works. First, the ISO Armor 2 is constructed with high-density open-cell acoustic foam that surrounds the microphone, isolating and absorbing sound. Next, a perforated aluminum shield prevents bounce-back reflections while also blocking room noise from reaching the microphone. The deep chamber design focuses the voice to an isolated microphone and captures its complete vocal spectrum without sound coloration. To minimize unwanted noise from vibrations, an integrated suspension mount adapter securely cradles the microphone with heavy-duty elastic bands. And finally, there is a double-layered removable nylon pop filter integrated into the design to prevent vocal pops and plosives. You're now listening to audio recorded without any isolation. You are now listening to audio recorded using the ISO Armor 2 microphone isolation system. And that's the ISO Armor 2, the portable solution to perfect sound capture in an untreated room.